AI isn't just for tech geniuses anymore. Today, I'm showing you 5 powerful AI tools you can use right now, completely free, to save hours of work every single week. Stick around because number 5 is a hidden gem most people don't even know exists. First up, ChatGPT. If you're not using it for writing, research, and brainstorming, you're leaving hours on the table. Need an email drafted? Done in seconds, stuck on a presentation. It can build an outline instantly. The best part? The free version is good enough for 90% of tasks. Second, Notion AI. Think of it as your personal assistant, built right into your notes. It can summarize meeting notes, generate to-do lists, and even clean up messy text. Perfect if you want your workday organized without wasting time typing everything yourself. Third, Pictory. This tool can turn any script or blog post into a full video automatically. It pulls stock footage, adds captions, and even includes voiceover. If you want to start creating content but hate editing, this one's a game changer. Fourth, Grammarly. It doesn't just fix typos, it makes your writing clearer, more professional, and faster to finish. Instead of proofreading for 20 minutes, Grammarly polishes your work instantly. And number 5, my secret weapon, Perplexity. AI, imagine Google, but with direct, clear answers instead of scrolling through ads and fluff. It even cites sources so you can fact-check instantly. That makes it way faster than regular search. So there you go, 5 free AI tools that can save you hours every single week. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips to make your life easier. And if you want the full list with links, check out the blog post linked below.